Yo, people, forget about the Arsenal, the Manchester United, the Real Madrid, the Barca. Got the real ball game starts now. The real thing. I got kick off tomorrow. JPL, the Jamaica Premier League, or the National Premier League, anyone you want to call it, finally is back tomorrow. And JPL is going to try to cover the entire season, starting with match day 1 starting tomorrow. And guys, before me even get into it, can I tell us it was the hardest thing to get the opening fixtures of the league. They were not listed or written anywhere until the day before, where all the individual clubs were putting on them social media pages, or we can get for watch tomorrow. Because for some reason, the official Premier League website is still down. It's been down for 2 months now. And we don't know what I want, because they might try to say that the domain expire, and I clear this as a money issue. But when the millions really if you are jumping with things that they should have cleared up already. But you know, a lot of for now, let's just get positive. You know, JFF have a whole heap of a problem, especially with the girls them, the reggae girls them. But let's just get straight in the thing, man. And I'm gonna tell you straight out the match. The season starts at 1:15 p.m. Lime Hall takes on Mumbai United. I'm gonna tell you straight, we know very little about Lime Hall. You know, them base are sent on, and they had a very competitive Peter Gould pre-season tournament against the likes of Mount Pleasant. But apart from that, they're one of the newcomers in the league. I'm gonna know much more than that. But I do know that Mumbai is under new ownership, and them have some whole heap of Brazilians here. Well, not wholly, but a good amount of imported Brazilians join the team. Which anywhere Brazil play ball, you know, say me as a Brazil fan, or most people who are Brazilian fans in Jamaica, you expect some greatness out of them. So Mumbai might turn around them thing this season. Might be a contender again this season. New ownership, new Brazilians. You know, let us see how them deal with the the first game of the season against the newcomers. The second match there at Jackson will be the defending champions, you know, taking on Portmore United. Alright, people, I actually have Mount Pleasant, the defending champions, right, as the front runner to retain this title, you know, right? I know it's an easy pick, it's a bit cliche, but when you look into what the team them have, them lose some pieces, yes, especially Trevante Stewart, but them bringing back most of the same coaching staff, some good players, and some key acquisitions happening, especially that guy from Trinidad, whose name is escaping me right now, but I editing later, right? I expect a whole heap of things from Mount Pleasant this season. I don't think they will necessarily win the regular season, but once you reach playoff time again, just expect them to get up there once more. While Portmore make some changes as well. I'm still not quite sure where them rank. Them just give a vibe that they're gonna be mid-table this season and even possibly miss out on the playoff. Right? Next is the good old Tivoli takes on Waterhouse. Waterhouse smarting from that 2-0 loss in the El Clasico, man. They're gonna try start the season on a high. While Tivoli is a team under new management, a good new coach. Jerome Waite is a good coach. So, I expect Tivoli to be much better this season. Would that be enough to get them a playoff team? I'm not sure, guys. But not gonna lie, I'm not sure Tivoli are gonna pull it off now. But we expect them to be a much better organized and competitive team under Jerome Waite. While Waterhouse, Gale again are gonna be out there, and them always dangerous. But again, they do enough to strengthen this season. Not from the preseason match I watched Wednesday, but it's a one-off game. Let's just see how they start the season. So interesting match there. So next match is Humble Lions at home to Treasure Beach. This one gonna be in Evertsfield Community Center. 3 p.m. kickoff again. Humble Lion, you know, from based on last season, they should do better this year. If not, they can go bad quickly. They can find themselves very quickly if they not start well, I feel, near the relegation zone. Treasure Beach, first club from St. Elizabeth in 41 years. That alone is a massive achievement for Treasure Beach, and we have to give them props for that. I don't know hardly anything about them and how them play apart from that. It'd be very intriguing to see how them set up this season or how them play, and hope them take a better account of themselves than other newcomers we have seen in the league recently. Because it's a good thing, it's a good look to have a Premier League team from St. Elizabeth, I think. You know, we have to spread love in this league, you know, man. So I hope them stick around. The big Monday night match them now. Big Monday night. You know Monday night are the big thing in the JPL. And my Lions United at home to Veer. My Lions in the market, but people. My Lions are buy up some players. My Lions don't want no relegation scrap this year. Them buy up some good players it seems. Them take players from Chapter Maroon and all about. So my Lions is trying to push for say they're not going to be fighting in this relegation battle come this season. And I think Veer is going to be strapping along with them near the bottom of the league. So this is a first match 6-pointer already. It's the first weekend 6-pointer this already. So it'll be interesting to see what's going down there on the Attorney Sparring Complex at 5 p.m. And in the nightcap now the big team out of the jungle. Arnett at home to Dunbeholden. Big match. This is the match of the round, people, I think. Why Arnett, who are the defending regular season champs, although they don't really call that, but they are the defending regular season champs. They got the most points last year. But the big problem in Arnett is that coach gone, top centre back gone, top centre midfielder gone, top striker MIA. It is a weird look for know how Arnett are gonna be this season. Especially after them were so well last year. But Xavier Gilbert, and then the whole issue with Xavier Gilbert make it even more rocky, right? We already knew Xavier Gilbert was part of the women's setup, and now he's taking up interim charge of the girls for this window, and possibly more. He might get the job long term. So a lot of unknowns are going on leading to the season. But you know when Arnett play at home, you expect them to come out on top. But against a very good Dunbeholden team who will be coming off a couple seasons at Caribbean Cup Championship, where they never make it to the next round, but they make a good account of themselves and then play some good ball. So me feel that Dunbeholden might take this match, but Dunbeholden is already match ready and match fit because of them Caribbean Cup exploits. So look out for them to probably etch out a win here and start the season well. Me feel that Dunbeholden can be a playoff team and get into the semi-final. So that's it, guys. That's his match week 1. Harbourview and Cavaliers, of course, are on a bye for this week as they're focused on the Caribbean Cup. They play each other actually in the semi-final coming up on Wednesday. But let me know who you think is going to win it all this year. Again, me are more pleasant to win it all. I think Cavaliers will be the regular season champs actually. So relegation, I'm not sure yet. We need to watch more and more of the newcomers and let you know. But that's it from JPL. Get the games begin. October 22nd, match week 1. JPL is back, people.